Amber Johnson here at Reid Park, Tucson, Arizona. Got all these little visitors, and I'm grounding myself.
Whoa, that was aggressive. Right off my...
They get hungry, I guess.
Yeah, this is typical. They got 150 ducks right in their face. They will come up right through on land.
Wow. My beautiful. Beautiful swan over there. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they have a couple running around here somewhere.
It's so long you can't bend down, the other ducks will get it. Even with the food right in front of it, see, but you can't bend down in time, the other ducks will sneak up.
So how long would you say you've been coming here then?
Like several weeks. I was used to go to another park that just got more ducks, and they're always hungry. It could be raining out, and they'll still be hungry.
Yeah, they definitely need some TLC, huh?
Yeah. I keep forgetting to get some photos, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, get some photos of this, you know?
Well, thank you for talking with me and feeding the birds, not birds and the ducks and the swans and everything else. I'm finding out about all kinds of cool animals over there. Check it out. And I'm grounding. Hi, Christine. Are you in heavy thought now? We just opened up a door of whoop ass kind of, huh? Huh?
Hmm?
I said, what's going on? I just opened up a can of whoop-ass kind of stuff.
See the turtle.
Hi guys, Amber Johnson over here at Reid Park. Christine and I are partners. You just saw her sitting in contemplation because we're racking our brains. You want to come over here and hold the camera for me while I talk? I'm usually the one holding it. It's already on. If you want to come around, you'll get to see the screen there. I'm going to get someone to hold the camera this time. Oh! You can see it, so it's there. So anyway, we're underneath this tree down here at Reid Park, right next to the pond, and we have come up with a name for our group, which is... Christine, what's the group name?
Sacred Sunday Circles.
Sacred Sunday Circles, with an S. Every Sunday, we've decided, and you can bring your kids. This is about kids. It's about, the main focus for me is domestic violence, obviously, but we're giving back our trauma through art. You're pointing at the ducks. I don't know. Okay, I just want to make sure, because I'm not usually on the camera. We're going to start doing it here. We agreed around 10 o'clock in the morning until whenever. You can stay 5 minutes. You can hang out and feed the ducks and the geese and swans. Beautiful swans out here. We already had lots of visitors come out for our first gig and our group. And Sundays at 10, okay? Let me see. Over here at Reid Park.
That's fat. So fat.
So fat? Is that what he said? Look at this, guys. There's two little ponds. The big duck pond that I remember as a kid here. Sorry, the camera's moving. And then you got this little one over here. Let's get a close-up of them. There's the heron. One heron out of all these guys. I kept looking at this guy going, I wonder how come I recognize this bird. And then I remembered it was in San Diego at the, what is that place? SeaWorld. We're at SeaWorld and I was eating after a ride. And this kind of guy right here, a heron, actually had like a collar on it or a wire hanging off it. And I took a picture of it and I still have it. And this guy has honored us with his presence. Very unusual. We got some aggressive little babies over here, huh? They're aggressive. That guy said so. We got visitors everywhere. Stay tuned. Come on down to Reid Park. Sundays at 10 a.m.